Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will boost our CPU performance so that you can use it properly. So let's start without wasting our time. Open control panel first. And you need to select here the large icons. And after that, go to power options. Okay, you should be getting this option, balance recommended, but you need to choose this option, high performance. Okay, just switch the power plan like this, high performance, then go to change plan setting and click on this option, change advanced power setting, and you will get the windows like this. You need to look for this option, which is processor power management. Just expand it with a plus, or click on the minimum processor state and select it 0. On the battery, select it also 0. Click on apply. After that, scroll down, look for maximum processor state, and you need to choose 100%. I have already selected 100%. You need to choose the same and then click on OK. Now you will see the better performance after choosing this option, and your CPU uses will be reduced. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.